Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the URL search param set method to add a new key value pair to your URL search params object. Here I have a URL search params object with product ID and quantity as keys, and I want to add a new parameter, discount, to the object. So with this method, you pass in the key and its value as arguments. So in this case, I'm going to pass in discount as the key and early bird as the value. And then if I were to log the output of the URL search params get method, passing in discount as an argument, we get back early bird. So we can see that that parameter has been set. If the parameter with that key already exists, the URL search param set method overwrites it. And if more than one item with that key exists, it's going to delete all the others. So we already have a quantity of 42. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update that to 7. And I'm going to log its value before and after running the set method on that parameter. If we jump over to the browser, you can see we initially have 42. And then after running our set method with a new value, that becomes the new value instead. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.